Bless you. Bless you, big guy.
We're stuck. I think we're stuck.
We're in the lake.
Pretty sure we're gonna be stuck.
Max, look at this lake.
Max, come look at the lake.
I'm not sure, but
Let's name it.
It's been raining. Raining since
Alice.
yesterday.
Possible to film a video with you around.
Grandma's back there talking about poop full and
We just woke up. That's why we look crazy.
okay, we just woke up.
Let's name our new lake.
Yeah, we're gonna name this new lake that we're parked in.
Mom says like hole.
We're gonna have to beat that. I'll show you guys the lake that we're currently parked in, that I have to walk through to disconnect the electric and the hose. But here it is.
Yeah, he has his phone.
Maxie's looking at it.
Ooh, he's watching the birds fly by.
Now he's eating the window.
Picnic table's about to float away.
Bubbles along the ground.
Uh-oh, he's caught in the seagrass.
Right. Yeah.
He's in the lake.
That. Got a goldfish, man.
Grandma caught a goldfish.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's a lively one.
Came up out of the grass this morning. Where's my granddaughters to come get these fish?
Oh, he's got a big one.
Go to the lake over there and go
Here
fishing.
he comes, here he comes.
He's swimming in the lake.
Camping in the field.
Alright, your wife's gonna
So
look
Emma-
out here. Your wife's gonna look out here and say, "Fish, see a fish," and say, "Yeah, your mom's got a plane to catch." Come. There we go. We got Mr. Goldfish here.
Oh, I think it broke.
I think. Let's see if I can get breakfast.
Did you feel that fish jump? Really took you out.
I can't get that far. I have to wait for this fish coming back. We can whack him right between the running lights.
It curved right past them.
Come on back, man.
He might have the same idea right now.
That's true.
We're standing outside. It's raining. Got Grandpa and Uncle Brett over there fishing in the swamp. Brett,
It is a swamp.
Uncle Brett lost his fish. He went to go catch him and tie him back on, but I think the two of them are plotting to try to get the fish in each other's hair. Something.
Coming! Oh, look at it! Oh! Look at that baby! Crazy stuff! Get the net! Get the net! Oh, look at that! That's like a mambo goldfish! That's like grandpa goldfish!
What are they doing, Max? Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys knew this, but Grandma named this lake full.
Got the right color. There's a little brown water. Look, goldfish.
And
Max,
grandpa
you want to
goldfish.
try? Here, Maxwell. Let's get you going out there, ready?
Look at him, he's so happy.
Yeah.
So I want to go fishing.
There you go. Here you go, Max. Hang on to that. Help him out.
I'm trying to.
Max fishing from the RV window. Reel it in, Max. Reel it in.
What did you put something
Here's a whole new thing. You can like fish for the fire ring.
Uncle Brett's got a game now. Whoa!
Look at that, hole in one.
Maxie, what do you got? Look, you caught a goldfish.
Taking that again.
He sees it now. He's like, what is that?
He caught a goldfish.
Did you catch a goldfish?
Good job, man.
All right, let me see this hole in one.
Oh, you missed it.
Yeah, sure I did.
Yeah, you got it.
That was not it.
Yeah, he said. Ah!
Oh, it scared Max.
Oh, you guys are gonna cross the streams here. So they were doing it on that side, and some lady said, "Catch anything?"
What do you do for fun at your campground? Oh, we fish.
You can't have fun in the rain.
Fish in the puddles. Uh-oh! Fish in the tree!
Oh, it's snagged in the tree. He comes out though.
Oh. Hi, Cecilia.
Good morning.
Do you want to go fishing too? Ah, I didn't get it! You're gonna jump in this mud puddle? Okay. Yes, sweetheart. No, they know how to get away from that, right? Well, they probably crawl deeper in the ground maybe, or they just crawl away. Go ahead, sweetie. Oh, do you want to take a walk to that little stream and see if it's flowing really strong?
Yeah.
Where that bridge is?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. Cecilia and I, we're gonna go check out that stream we were at the other day where the little wooden bridge is.
Yeah.
And
it's a rainy day out now, but I make a big puddle,
made a big puddle.
and you know that it's a door puddle or something, but I just jumped in it, and here's another puddle.
You gonna jump in that one too?
I'm gonna jump in it. I thought it was you again.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we're gonna check out that little wooden bridge where Emma was on the other day, and we're gonna see if the water is flowing even faster. And I have a feeling it's moving really fast
Yeah.
because it was getting kind of slow because it hadn't rained in a couple days.
Yeah, little.
Yeah, we see it already. Oh, let's show everybody. Look. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that water moving.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I go over to
Yeah, of course you can go over the
Where's
bridge.
the bridge?
So there's the bridge, guys. Right there.
Right there.
Oh yeah, look at the water going.
Yeah, it's going real fast. And so
Oh my, it's much faster, right?
I'm also getting sort of the water.
Yeah. Okay, so be careful on the bridge because it is slippery.
My shoes are slippery too.
Yeah, well it's wet, right?
Yeah, I want to see what's on the other side.
Yeah, I'll hold you over here till you get over the bridge. Hold on to the rail.
I want to see what's over here.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, I made it.
trying to get one of these leaves?
Yes.
Here, look.
One of these leaves gives good luck.
It gives good luck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this is a snake. So we have to remember what snake.
Oh, it's a snake. It's a big snake. Oh, bless you. There's another little puddle. Look at that, in the middle of the woods. Oh, that one actually looks kind of deep, huh?
Yeah, no,
It's not deep?
I'm going in.
All right, go in.
Whoa.
Oh, it is deep? Look, there's another puddle over here, too.
Daddy, I can see it. I got it on my leg.
I see, look, you're almost up to the top of your boots.
I don't know which way these are going now.
Oh, I don't know either. Look, it's so fast. But listen, you hear those birds?
Yeah.
I see.
Wait. A bird, if we hear a bird, they give good luck from our feet.
You see all these snakes? Hundreds of them.
What's the chicken? Uh-oh, which way are we going now?
Maybe around this way.
Daddy, your second
Okay.
Okay.
Careful.
Am I doing that with door?
Yes, you're doing a
That's
wonderful.
like on a hill. That's like on the
Oh yeah, just like on the hill.
Yeah.
Look, we're standing on top of a big rock, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Big rock now. This looks like a big river, see? Do you think we're gonna be able to cross the river?
No.
Should we do it together?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna cross this river together. Let's go over here where the rapids are. See? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. Are we gonna make it okay?
Daddy?
Oh, how are we gonna do this?
Daddy?
Let's go this way.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I think Daddy.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go up this way. I almost just lost my shoe in that. It's so deep and so soft and squishy. Look right here, this little waterfall. But we're gonna go up this hill. Ugh.
What's a worm? What's a worm or something?
A worm? You saw a worm?
No, what's a worm?
Was it warm?
Yeah.
No, it was actually kind of cold. Saw that cold rainwater falling from the sky and then heading down this mountain. Which way?
Maybe,
You want to try to jump across?
maybe,
Or take the bridge?
maybe. We should find a jump across, but we get in the water.
Okay, let's try it. Okay. No, you should be able to walk in there. Like you could step in it, right?
Yeah,
Okay, you can try it?
yeah. I can step in it.
All right, go ahead. Here we go. Woo!
I bet it's cold.
It is cold, right?
Yeah. Look,
We did it.
we did it. We did it.
We survived it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, high five.
That
All right.
wasn't right?
That was a fun little adventure.
Yeah, but I think
Oh, I see Grandpa. Let's go see what Grandpa's doing.
I want something a puddle.
Okay. So we have more than a puddle. We got a lake. Yeah, a lake. Oh, I see Grandpa. Looks like Uncle Brett's moving his motorhome. He's heading over that way. Maybe he's gonna go get it all ready for traveling.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I want to something that puzzle.
Okay, go for it. Tell Grandpa about our adventure?